This has been a very successful show. There's a good footfall of customers, both from domestic and also from the brands, and we hope to do good business.
The platform gives a good opportunity to manufacturers to display their products and get out to the buyers, and the involvement of the team and everything was wonderful. So we're getting a very good platform to display our products and get new buyers. We would not mind if it is done more often, and it is amazing. Thank you.
I am here today at this beautiful, amazing expo fair. I am so surprised that y'all have everything under one roof. I hope that everybody comes here and find out so much more. If you're a buyer, if you're a vendor, if you are anyone in between, this is the place for you to be.
I'm seeing continuously this fair gaining a lot of importance. Such platforms give all the companies an opportunity to showcase the product. So it's a very good platform, and I've seen it evolve, and it's really doing well.
I'm visiting the Garment Expo and the event is amazing.
This show is fabulous.
It's a wonderful show.
This is just the beginning.
See you in Delhi!